Hi, welcome to Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make some mango sea moss jelly. All you basically need is some sea moss, some lemon juice, and some mango puree. The mango puree I'm using, it came in a can. This is organic mango puree. I bought it from my Indian grocery store. And this is basically what I am using today, because in my region of the world, mangoes are very, very expensive. I'm just pouring in that mango puree in my blender tumbler. And also, if you'd like to know how I make my sea moss gel, please look out for the video link that's going to be on the top right hand corner of this video to know how I make my sea moss gel. I'm going to go on and blend that mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay, and I'm going to pour it in a cup and see how nice and rich it looks. This tastes so good. You can freeze it, put it in some icicle bags, and they're such a great treat to have after a workout day or just for dessert. That's it for today with Vegan Cuisine with Madam Sophie. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace, love, and tasty vegan food. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.